Welcome to Embers, the video podcast that actually helps you learn something. Today, we're going to dive deep into the effective art of communication and personal branding. I'm your host, Dr. Ember, and today we're exploring a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to make an impact in their professional or in their personal life. Finding your authentic brand voice. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or someone simply who wants to express themselves more genuinely, this episode is for you. See you on the other side. Welcome to Embers, the video podcast that's definitely going to help you learn something. Grab your pen and paper, get ready to take some notes, and I promise you, today's episode is really going to have you unlock the power of your brand because it's going to help you find your authentic brand voice. And this is a step-by-step guide. Now, in this professional and insightful tutorial, I'm going to delve into practical exercises designed to help you identify and refine your unique brand voice. If you want to know more about me, check out the description in the link below. Now, in today's video, we're going to cover identifying your core values for genuine expression. Practical exercises to refine your vocal delivery, and techniques to ensure your message resonates with your audience. I know you don't want to miss out on essential resources for anyone seeking to elevate their communication skills and build a strong personal brand. So, right now, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video for more content here. And we're going to go ahead and dive right on in. So what exactly is a brand voice? It's the unique way your brand communicates with the world. You see, it's the tone, the style, and the personality that comes through in every interaction. In a world full of noise and competition, having an authentic brand voice helps you stand out and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Today, in this episode, we're going to break down practical exercises that will help you discover and refine your authentic brand voice. From identifying your core values to practicing vocal delivery, okay? We're going to cover everything you need to express yourself genuinely. But before we jump on into that, let's take a moment to reflect on why authenticity matters. So let's look at core point number 1. When you identify your core values, okay? The first step in finding your authentic brand voice is identifying your core values. What principles guide you? What do you stand for as a business? Go ahead and take a moment and in the comment section, list what you stand for and your business name. This gives you a little bit of free advertising, helps me out a little bit with the algorithms. Now, take a moment to just jot down 3 to 5 core values on a separate piece of paper. One that you can come back to when you are referring to your business. Now, I have a file that I put all of my business items in. So this paper that I'm asking you to put down these 3 to 5 core values for your business should go in that file. Now, these might include integrity, creativity, inclusive, being very inclusive, okay? Or being very innovative. Once you have these written down, consider how they influence the way you communicate. A great quote by Simon Sinek comes to mind. And I've used this before because it fits so many circumstances here, especially when you're talking about how to speak in public or on video and finding your authentic brand voice. And it says, people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Because this does emphasize the importance of aligning your communication with your core values. Now let's take a point look here at core point 2, understanding your audience. When you understand your audience, you can speak directly to them. And that's essential to know who you're speaking to. Because understanding your audience allows you to tailor your message effectively. Now, if you weren't looking on how to promote yourself and discover your authentic voice in business, you probably wouldn't be watching this video. So I want you to ask yourself right now, who are your essential audience? Okay? Who are your clients? Go ahead and in the comment section below, just list your business name and what kind of clients you service, you help. Who are they? What are their interests? What challenges do they face? Because when you know this, you can engage with them so much better, especially on things like social media or through email marketing. And for some businesses, those are its lifeblood. Did you know that brands that truly understand their audience can increase engagement by up to 60% in less than a week? It can happen with one video. Really think about this for a minute. What would happen if you could increase your engagement in your audience by up to 60% almost overnight? That's the power of using your authentic brand voice in everything that you do. Now, our next core point here, point number 3, is you need to experiment with tone and style, okay? And guys, you're not going to be perfect. I don't care how long you've done it. It's not going to be perfect. But when you experiment with tone and style, and you've already gone ahead and defined your values and your audience, and you're speaking directly to your audience with your values and your proposition, it's time to experiment on how to get that across. What works best where? Okay? These are the different styles of communication, the different tones. Finding your authentic brand voice is crucial because you actually get to be you with every interaction on social media, every interaction in customer service, every interaction in sales, every interaction in marketing. So don't be afraid to mix those styles, okay? Sometimes the most compelling brand voices are those that blend different tones to create something unique. Put together some short pieces, guys, like blog posts, social media captions, that type of thing. Videos, even, in various tones: professional, casual, humorous, empathetic, authentic. This exercise will help you discover which style feels most authentic to you for your brand voice. And that's going to be primary also. Let's talk about point number 4 here. And this is also a core point as far as I'm concerned when you really look into finding your authentic brand voice. And that's going to be about vocal delivery. Now, vocal delivery is a very important thing to keep in mind because your voice is just as important as the words that you choose. Practicing vocal delivery can significantly impact how your message is received. Now, earlier I did screw up on a word. Guys, I have a huge problem time, whatever, saying that stuff. And I will honestly tell you, which is why I just reframed it and went on. I have practiced this. And I understand that vocal delivery does impact how your message is received and how long people stay tuned in to what you're saying. So, record yourself speaking, whether it's reading a script or simply sharing thoughts and listening back. Pay attention to your pacing, your intonation, and your enthusiasm. Try reading your script out loud in front of a mirror or to friends for feedback. It's always helpful. If you need to record it and have a friend watch it, send it to them by email. This can boost your confidence and help refine your delivery. So, to wrap up today's episode, we've explored the steps to uncovering your authentic brand voice by identifying your core values, understanding your audience, experimenting with tone and style, and practicing vocal delivery. Each of these steps play a vital role in helping you communicate genuinely and effectively. Remember, authenticity breeds trust, and trust breeds connections. Thank you for joining me on this journey to find your authentic brand voice. If you found value in today's episode, I encourage you to share it with someone who might benefit from it as well. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on personal branding and communication skills, as well as small business success tips. Now, if you have any questions or topics that you'd like us to cover in future episodes, feel free to reach out. Leave me a comment below. Okay? Follow me on Facebook. Until next time, my friends, stay true to yourself and let your voice be heard. I'm out.